Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in this video we are going to talk about order annotation. Basically, what is a order annotation and how we can set order of the services when we are trying to implement the same interface. So basically, so let's say like I have a interface here. This interface being implemented by three services, service A, B, and C. And in order to execute service B, you want to ensure that service A will be created first, and vice versa. Sorry, similar to service C. In order to execute service C, you want to ensure that other services gets created first. That means this order of injection of these services into when I'm trying to use these, how will I use? I will use that above interface, right, as a list, because I have three services implementing. So I will use above interface as a list, right? So in order to ensure this order, we will use order implementation. Okay, I will going to explain them in the working demo so that you get better understanding. So let's get into this guy first. I have a project which is up and running. I have not did any sort of implementation related to this scenario. First, let's create a interface here. So uh, let's create a interface. Let's say like rating interface, or else let's keep something like I rating so that the naming format will be good. Okay, I rating, which is my interface. Let's say like public int get rating. Okay, here now I want to implement this rating. So let's create a class. Let's create something like excellent rating. Okay, which implements I rating. Okay, and here I will try to add that unimplemented method. Here I will keep service. Okay, excellent. For excellent, I will try to send return as 0 rating. Okay, and let's import service here, and also let's add order. See, order we have imported, and which order you want to take. So ordered dot, let me take highest precedence here, and here this can be optional like this, or you can set the order with the help of this ordered interface. Here you could see, with the help of this ordered interface, you can set the uh, precedence order of execution, or else you can give direct numbers. Okay, that numbers thing we will try to see slowly. Okay, next, excellent rating. Let's create a one more class here. Let's say like good rating. Here at the rate service, and at the rate order, and ordered dot first precedence implements I rating, and you try to import all of, sorry, you try to add what happened, implements. Okay, let me try to get this guy here and paste it here. Get rating, let me keep it as one. Here if you see here, what is happening is I have this rating interface and I am implementing in two places. Excellent rating, I given this as a service with the highest order of execution, and the good rating as a service which I'm trying to implement this rating with the lowest order of execution. Okay, so ideally this should get created first when I am calling this particular method, and it should return 0 at the first step. Okay, next this will get created and this will get called. Okay, so let's test that with the help of the tester class. So I have this, which is by default comes with your Spring Boot application. So simply let's try to auto here list of I rating. Let's see, ratings. Okay, let's try to import our AutoWord, then list from util package, and I rating as an interface that we have created. Okay, let's create one more test here. Test public void get ratings here. So basically ratings dot at first, so basically there were two objects will get created with this because I'm implementing at two places, right? Excellent and good. So I've taken the list here, and here at 0 what will get created, this at 0 in this will get created because this is highest precedent, whereas good rating will get created afterwards because this is the lowest precedence, right? So here at 0 dot get rating. Okay, here what happens, this will get returned, right? So I will try to use that. Okay, so simply use assert equals assert equals this, and here 0, and similarly at first index other will be there, and that return type will be 1 because this will get created, sorry, this will get created and this will get called when I'm doing the get rating, and here I'm returning 1. So I'm trying to test that with assert equals of 1, right? Now let's run this test and see how it will be. Now you could see everything is passed here. Okay, so first highest precedence will get executed, will get created here, then this method will get executed, and I'm testing that against the return value, right? Cool. Now instead of ordered interface, let me take something like this. Okay, let me take this as a 0, and um, good rating, let me take this guy as a -1. What will happen if I keep something like this? The lowest value will get the highest priority, and so in this case ideally good rating should get executed as it is the lowest value here. So let me try to test that. So this should be 1 and this should be 0, right? See, came properly, right? So we have explored two ways. With the help of the ordered implementation, we have explored, and with the help of the normal weightings. Okay, so depends on the situation. You can also use accordingly. Okay, but this is usually very less used annotation in Spring. Okay, so hope it will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing off.